Welcome to Emerson's how-to video series for the Rosemount Slurry magnetic flow meter platform. This video will teach you how to wire the Rosemount 8782 Slurry magnetic flow meter transmitter to an existing Rosemount 8707 high-signal magnetic flow meter sensor. For the complete set of instructions on how to wire the 8782 transmitter to the 8707 sensor, please refer to the Replacing a Rosemount 8712H transmitter with a Rosemount 8782 transmitter supplemental guide, which can be found at emerson.com/Rosemount Slurry Magnetic. Note the warnings and safety information found in the 8782 Quick Start Guide and take necessary precautions to ensure safe work practices. Put the loop in manual control and record the current flow rate on the existing transmitter. Power down and remove the existing transmitter. The existing wiring can be used with the new transmitter. No new wiring will need to be purchased. Be sure to label the coil and electrode wires as they are removed so that they can be correctly wired up to the 8782, including the polarity on terminals 7 and 8. Reference your installed meter's reference manual for assistance in identifying the terminal polarity. If replacing an 8712 C, D, or E transmitter, no special wire preparation is required. If replacing an 8712H, remove the connectors from the coil cable and strip back the wire insulation to expose the wire. The amount of insulation removed should be minimized as much as possible. Though not required for wiring, consider adding wire terminators such as ferrules, spade lugs, etc., in accordance with local and plant electrical codes and requirements. Mount the 8782 in the same location as the previous transmitter. Open the terminal compartment on the transmitter and run the coil, electrode, and power wires through the conduit openings. Connect the coil cables to the terminal block on the transmitter. Connect the wire you labeled 1 to terminal 1. Connect the wire you labeled 3 to terminal 3. Connect the wire you labeled 2 to terminal 2. Connect the electrode cables to the terminal block on the transmitter. Connect the wire you labeled 17 to terminal 17. Connect the wire you labeled 18 to terminal 18. Connect the wire you labeled 19 to terminal 19. Verify that power to the power cables has been disconnected before wiring the power terminals. Complete any wiring of the transmitter outputs. When wiring terminals 7 and 8, make sure you are wiring positive to positive and negative to negative. For more information on how your power source options impact the polarity, refer to the 8782 Quick Start Guide. Seal the conduit in accordance with local and plant electrical codes. Close the terminal compartment, tightening the cover screw until a tight metal-to-metal contact is obtained. Power on the transmitter and verify that there are no errors or faults. Program the 8782 with the basic configuration parameters: sensor calibration number, flow units, 4 mA or lower range value, and 20 mA or upper range value. Consult the How-To configuration video for a detailed walkthrough. The meter is now ready to measure and provide a flow rate. Note that due to design changes, it is possible that a deviation in the flow measurement value may occur. The following steps help correct for this offset. For maximum accuracy, perform an auto zero trim. If the meter can be isolated to create a zero flow condition, perform a zero trim. Press the XMTR menu button. Press the down arrow one time to select the Diagnostics menu. Press the right arrow to access the Diagnostics menu. Press the down arrow 4 times to select the Trims menu. Press the right arrow to access the Trims menu. Press the down arrow twice to select the Auto Zero routine. Press the right arrow key to access the Auto Zero routine. Press the left arrow E key to initiate the routine. The Auto Zero routine will now run and will take approximately 2 to 3 minutes to complete. When complete, a message will appear on the transmitter display. Using the flow rate recorded from the existing transmitter or by passing a known flow rate through the meter, record what the 8782 transmitter is reading. Calculate the meter factor by taking the known flow rate and dividing by the flow rate shown on the 8782. Enter the calculated meter factor into the transmitter. Press the XMTR menu key to access the menu. Press the down arrow 3 times to select the Detailed Setup menu. Press the right arrow to access the Detailed Setup menu. Press the right arrow to access the More Params menu. Press the down arrow once to select the Meter Factor menu. Press the right arrow key to access the meter factor. Press the right arrow key to enable editing of the meter factor. Using the up, down, and right arrow keys, enter the correct value calculated for the meter factor. Up to 4 decimal places are possible to minimize rounding errors. Press the left arrow E key twice to store the value. Press the Home Flow Rate key to return to the main screen. Verify the flow rate displayed matches the expected value. If it does not, verify the meter factor was entered correctly and/or recalculate and re-enter the meter factor. This concludes the how-to video for wiring the 8782 transmitter to an existing 8707 sensor. Note the warnings and safety information found in the 8782 Quick Start Guide and take necessary precautions to ensure safe work practices. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos to learn how to install, configure, and verify your flow meter. To learn more, visit us at emerson.com/Rosemount Slurry Magnetic.